Are you thinking about quitting your job because you're tired of trading your time for a paycheck that barely covers the bills? And if you want to break free from the chains of traditional employment and take control of your financial destiny, then you are in the right place. Hello friends, and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the 7 powerful side hustles that will have the potential to change your bank account and transform your life. No more living paycheck to paycheck, no more waiting for retirement to enjoy the fruits of your labor. It's time to seize your opportunity and start building the life of your dreams. And you want to start that today. So let's get into the 7 actionable steps that will set you on the track to financial independence. The first thing I would recommend and you want to start with is short form content creation. Step 1, choose your platform. If you like Snapchat, TikTok, or Reels, select the social media platform that aligns with your audience in the content that you want to create. Each social media platform has its own unique features and audience demographics, and choose based on where your target audience spends their time. Step number 2, create engaging content. Focus on producing short, captivating videos that grab attention and leave a lasting impression. Create entertaining, informative tutorials or inspirational stories, or just create whatever you want to create. It's all up to you. However, you need to make sure your content resonates with your audience and adds value to their lives. Step number 3, consistency is key. Commit to a regular posting schedule to keep your audience engaged and coming back for more. Aim to post at least once a day, just once a day, to stay top of mind and maintain momentum. You just need to post at least once a day. Consistency breeds trust, and the 2 essential ingredients for building a loyal following. So you need to be consistent in order to build loyal followers. Passive income through investing. You want to create passive income. You want to invest, right? The first step that you need to take is to educate yourself. You need to learn about it. And you need to take the time to learn the fundamentals of investing, including stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and ETFs. And there are countless resources available online, from books to podcasts to online courses, that can help you gain a solid understanding of the investment landscape. And I will leave a link down below for the Intelligent Investor book. This book is really helpful. It helped me understand the ins and outs of investing in the United States. The second step when it comes to investment is to set up automated investments. You need to utilize investment platforms like Robinhood, Webull, or Etoro to automate your investment contributions. And I will also leave the links for these platforms and these applications in the description down below. And when you sign up using my link, you're gonna get free stocks. By setting up recurring investments, you can take advantage of the dollar cost averaging and gradually build wealth over time. And the third step when it comes to investing is to diversify your portfolio. Spread your investments across different asset classes to minimize the risk and maximize the potential returns. So consider investing in a mix of stocks, bonds, real estate, and alternative investments to create a well-balanced portfolio. And the third thing that you can make money online with is building and managing Discord servers. Yeah, building and managing Discord servers, which is not a lot of people know about. So the first step to do that is to learn the basics, right? You need to familiarize yourself with the features and the functionalities of Discord including text channels, voice channels, roles, and permissions. And you need to take advantage of the online tutorials and the guides that are everywhere on YouTube, on Google, everywhere. You can learn from them in order to master the platform and get good at Discord, so you get money out of it. And the step number 2 is to have a value and offer it. Identify a niche. You need to have a niche or a community that you are passionate about and create a Discord server around that community. So after you create a Discord server that caters to their interest, you need to provide valuable content, engaging discussions, and exclusive perks that attract and retain members. A third step for making money through Discord is to monetize the server. Right? This is the step that you make money with. Once you've built a thriving community, explore the monetization options such as premium memberships, sponsored content, merchandise sales, or affiliate marketing. There are so many ways to make money on Discord. Consider offering tiered membership levels with different perks to incentivize members to upgrade. And you can also make money from online coaching. This is the fourth one that you can make money with, is online coaching. You need to identify your expertise. So the first step that you need to take is to identify your expertise. Reflect on your skills, knowledge, and passion to determine your area of expertise. Whether it's fitness, finance, personal development, or any other niche, choose a field where you can add a significant value to your clients. Step number 2 is to create your offer. After you created a value, you need to create an offer and develop a coaching program or service that addresses the specific needs and challenges of your target audience. Design actionable plans, resources, and support systems to help your clients achieve their goal effectively. Step number 3 is to market yourself and utilize social media platforms, email marketing, and network opportunities to promote your work and to promote your coaching services. Showcase your expertise through informative content, success stories, and testimonials to attract potential clients and establish credibility. AI animation services. AI is everywhere in 2024 and going on. So in order to master that, you need to take the first step. The first step is to master the tools. You need to invest time in learning how to use AI-powered animation software such as Adobe, After Effects, or Blender. So watch online tutorials, courses, and practice projects to familiarize yourself with the tools and techniques of animation creation. Step number 2, build a portfolio showcasing your best animation work and demonstrate your creativity, versatility, and attention to details. Create a professional website or online profile to display your portfolio and attract potential clients. Network and collaborate. Join online communities, forums, and social media groups related to animation to connect with fellow professional and potential clients. Collaborate on projects, share insights, and leverage networking opportunities to expand your client base and grow your business. Freelance digital marketing. Step number 1, develop your skill. It's just like any other skill. Invest time in learning essential digital marketing skills such as SEO, search engine optimization, social media marketing, content creation, and email marketing. Take online courses, read industry blogs, and practice hands-on projects to hone your expertise. And that was the first step. The second step is to build your portfolio. Showcase your digital marketing skills by creating a portfolio of successful campaigns, case studies, and client testimonials. highlight your ability to drive results and generate leads through strategic marketing initiatives. And the third step is network and collaborate. Connect with other professionals in the digital marketing industry through online communities, networking events, and social media platforms. Collaborate on projects, share insights, and leverage each other's expertise to expand your opportunities. So, at the end, what I want to tell you is you need to take action and seize your future. Take action and seize your future. There you have it, 7 actionable side hustles that can change your life and make you rich and take you towards financial success and freedom. But remember this, my friend, success does not manifest overnight. Success does not happen overnight. It requires dedication, persistence, and proactive approach. So select the side hustle that resonates with you. Set clear objectives and initiate the journey towards crafting the life you deserve and the life you desire. Your future is within your own control. So why wait? Let's embark on this journey to financial abundance together. Thank you for watching this video.